Hello students, good morning. Today we will revise chapter 21. We have completed this chapter from last 3-4 days and today we will revise it. In the revision, first thing when you hear the word world celebration, celebration means joy. Celebration means you are going to remember something, commemorate something. So you have family celebrations like birthdays, marriages, anniversaries. You have religious celebrations celebrating Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid. You have some national celebrations like you celebrate 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October. And you have some international or world celebration which is celebrated by the whole world to remember something, to make people aware about something. Okay, so we are going to learn about those celebrations. World celebrations, international days. These days are celebrated to remind people or to make people aware of some things which we are celebrating. The first thing that the world celebrates, we are going to learn about is your World Health Day. Remember the date? When is it celebrated? 7th April. We celebrate World Health Day on 7th April. Okay? And on this, WHO, your World Health Organization, select some key global issues on which all country needs to work and pay attention. Okay, like this year we know, everybody knows the global health issue is today the COVID-19. So WHO makes some guidelines, some things for all the whole world. Okay, so each country must invest in health. So all country have to take proper care of the health of their citizens. So World Health Day is to remind people about the health facilities, health, to work for their health, because if you are healthy then only you can do something. Okay, the next celebration we have Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. We know that nowadays our earth is giving us so many signals, na? Like natural calamities, floods come, lot of hot it is, lot of rainfall, maybe no rainfall, high temperature. The earth is giving us signal that it is tired, it is now, we cannot no more put pressure on it. So we need to take care of the earth. Okay, so we the 22nd April reminds us that we need to take care of the earth. How? We have to do some things. You have to take some steps which you learned in the previous chapter 16. Na? Steps to minimize the pollution, not using polythenes, using less things, reduce, recycle, all those, planting more trees. So that will be your Earth Day. For celebrating Earth Day, it's making people aware about taking care of the earth, about the environment, planting trees, alright, and also doing some things like not using polythenes, not wasting water, not using much automobiles. That's how. Next we have International Labour Day, which is celebrated on 1st May. It is also called as May Day. Okay, so International Labour Day or May Day is on 1st May, and on this day the workers of the factories and mills, they take out processions and put forth their demands. And it also shows that all the workers in the world, they contribute economically and socially in the development of a country. Clear? So International Labour Day is also called as May Day, 1st May, and nothing will work unless you do. So we need to, everybody is equal, all the work is good. So all labor, जितने भी मजदूर हैं वो देश की उन्नति में सबसे ज़्यादा योगदान देते हैं. So on this day we have to respect all the workers, your sweepers or whoever works in the factories. In some countries they have public holidays, okay, official holiday, and it shows that they are contributing for the development of the country. Next, you can see I have put some slides of worker working in the mills, factories. See, if they do not work, all the work will stop. All the manufacturing work and so many other work which the laborers are doing, we won't get the benefit. So we need to respect them. Next, we have World Human Right Day. When is it celebrated? World Human Right Day is celebrated on 10th December. You can see in the book also December 10. And this day is celebrated to make us aware of our right of education, equality, right to peace. Every human being is born free and is having entitled to live free and should have all these right to live peacefully, right to live with freedom, all are equal, right of dignity, right of prosperity. So these are the rights. People are made aware on this day that they are born free and they have right to equality and so many other rights which you have: social rights, cultural rights, right to be treated with respect and dignity, as few of the rights are written here also. Okay, so the main objective of this day is to help and promote discrimination free society. Why do we celebrate World Human Right Day? Just to make people aware that we should live a discrimination free society. Okay, no separation, ऊंच नीच जात पात को नहीं मानना है. Okay, next you have got here International Literacy Day. International Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th September and it is to promote education and literacy all over the world, especially the poor people and the adult. Okay, see, adult people also need to be educated, those who did not get education in the previous or before. So now government is making different steps and schemes so that the adult also study, and government in India has made scheme that all children up to the age of 14 years should get free and compulsory education. Okay, then UNESCO takes steps here. UNESCO is concerned for the literacy and it makes an observance of the International Literacy Day. It is UNESCO is organizing lot of programs for the literacy level in the whole world. Okay, so this is that we have to work for adult education also. If somebody at your home is not educated, teach them in this lockdown, in this pandemic time, to write the name or read something, do something, teach somebody. Okay, this is how you will help in eradicating illiteracy. This is how your chapter is complete. We have learned about how many celebration: 1 2 3 4 5. Learn the date and also you try to celebrate that day by making people aware about that, and contribute on that day by doing that thing like Earth Day, plant a tree. Illiteracy Day, teach somebody to write a name. Okay, Human Right Day, treat everybody equal, your servants and all. Health Day, take care of your health and of others also. And this is how you will help on this celebrating these days. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.